tell me why tell me why God no go dey bless west, east and south. God go dey bless us, and na so our love, wey say we love ourselves, na so the love go dey increase. You see am, because of the people wey dey kill for farm, wey say they go do farm, federal government come dey, as in I know, as in they call, as in see the kind statement wey they make, say the farmers they not tell, as in they not inform federal government before they go farming. Ah, Jesus. You see how northerners, they feel say that they're on top of the world. Any command wey northerners give, they go obey am. But then when it concern the west, south and east, you go be like say the thing not make sense. You know say the thing not supposed to. Now they tell them, say why they not demand for, as in why they not let them know before they go for their rice farming. So northerners now don't become place wey be say if you wan go farm, you go take as in you go tell government so that they can give you army, or maybe for give you police. Imagine, and we get presidents. We get president, we get security, we get chief security, we get army, we get vigilante, we get police, different forces that we get, and they did that north side. Now what did they find now be say, so that when, you know, even if small people won't go school for that side now, they go send a army troop follow them, so that go protect them. Not be now they use this to Boko Haram till they found another thing. As for me, now they use until they found another thing, because una know where this Boko Haram they dey. Not be until they talk about. Boko Haram cannot be. How long Niger Delta boys exist? They say they settle their matter once and for all. Peace continue to the raid for Niger Delta. Who be Boko Haram? How they take get weapon? How they take get all those guns? Why did they last till now? But if na something say consign this west south now, IG go carry he double left leg waka come. Cause they can't talk rubbish. I did not see them because they can't go give them food stuff. Imagine, they keep farmers, they can't combine for food stuff. Then they carry rice, go give them. Meanwhile, when and even the same thing still happen during coronavirus. Now so palliatives they bomb, they go there. I don't know whether our leaders, our southwest and east, they fear northerners as if like northerners now get this country. Imagine now, farmers when they there for Borno State, now they don't carry bag of rice, so your food stuff, go give them. Now they don't carry bag of rice and food stuff, go give them. Now Tinubu they can't talk anyhow. Tinubu they can't talk. Open Iban say they won't talk about security. When he be say on arrange soldiers, may they go keep people for Lekki toll gate. No, you don't hear not, and you won't come and talk about security. So you want security for the country. Now you send soldiers come kill you to say they protest for the same betterment of this thing they happen. So the youth they come and come protest and for this betterment of this the same thing. Now because you want collect money for toll gate, then you send soldiers come kill them. Now you see to talk about security. Oga Tinubu, you see open your mouth to talk about security. Like say you value security well. You value security. Now una gather body go promote army wey be say they can't defend, say they can't defend EndSARS panel. Now una promote them. Una promote them, say they defend EndSARS. They can't defend us for panel. Now una promote them. Nonsense, stupid, useless people, non-entities, riffraffs, lost leaders, wasted youth that became leaders. Now una be all these are bad leaders. Una be you people were lost youths that became leaders. People wey say they for say during una dey for na mama womb, they for flush una join blood. No know why period. They know una not from period go. Una come grow up from una street, grow up finish, become touts, thugs, become ministers or whatever una be. I mean Nigeria turn upside down so. maybe if you go the history of Buhari na one of those thugs and hooligans say they stand for road dey collect money for people pocket, maybe say no even want the progress of his state then na come become president. So we dey suffer for the good 6 years then Buhari enter seat. Nothing good to write about. Nothing good to write about. I'm a witness of when Buhari enter seat. Till date, nothing to write about. Tinubu said they can't talk. What is someone look, Mr. Someone what they wait for? I mean, you know, you say they keep people for Borno State. You know, hear them. You know, hear the killings. If not the one concern NSAS, then you wear your glass, come outside, they look like with an unknown, like who gets a cataract for eye. People say they're supposed to, but they're supposed to when I'm supposed to decide, when I'm supposed to decide boss, they do a conductor. I can't use a 419, can't become minister, become governors, become senators. And so now life go to turn around up and down. On our life go to see so no one the freedom of the masses. Now no one put smile for the face of the masses. Now no one put food up on table. Now so nemesis go to follow now one by one. The nemesis say they follow Northern and say Boko Haram say na there they go die put so. Now because of the evil I don't do. Now make the nemesis they follow now because Northerners now don't want our progress for this southeast and west. As now our progress now I get power. Now go the rule so. Now so God of anger go they fall upon una. The innocent souls who na kill for Lekki to get to deny am. All this army they stand for, they see them so as they be. No, not worry. On a end of road they come, they promote you now. Promote what you do. What you do? They promote you. You go shoot your. You go. Send a live bullet and the blank bullet. You go give Nigerians youths when you own Nigeria flag. You give them. So you give them water. You give them live bullet. You give them blank bullet. Now they promote you. That promotion, it go give you 20 years demotion because that promotion don't make sense. Go give you 20 years demotion. And make I conclude this because this thing end SARS matter. Davido, I need to hear your voice again. Flavor, Tiwa Savage, all the musicians, all the artists, Nigeria film industry, whatever. Anybody say no, say support, if say come out for this our end SARS that time. I need to hear on our voice again because that time they talk and say. We dey make noise say later we go quiet and as I dey see and only Ashia na only she na dey even dey see dey come up with this thing. We no dey even dey hear una voice again. If una dey organize we no know. Una just silent. Abi una do am for eye service. Una come am for the first time for eye service. Abi una dey dodge now. Una dey dodge now. Abi na wetin I no know. My answer na question because this matter na end SARS matter. Una dey dodge. Abi una don dey hide una self now. Mona many for not trace soon as they trace a DJ Swish. I don't understand. The end SARS matter don't end. We don't fight finish. Because they say government say they don't meet up our fight demand. Now truth. They don't increase police salary. They don't cut senator's salary. Mona let me know man until they happen now. Mona let us know. Because even the end SARS panel said then if they give us updates. I mean you know so we get forum, get page say they bring every update. I've been fixing every youth then now to read. Many youth say they even join us for that SARS, that end SARS, that time protest. So they not even now to read. So they get one forum and they say, oh, they cast news for PG English, they hear. They go understand what they happen. When they update us, when know what they happen. How many youth did that place? And how many tribe did that place? What would they know? The end SARS for for the whole youth for the Nigeria. How many people they represent us? What we even know their names? Who be the people they represent us? From where they come from, which tribe, which state? What will be the updates? How would they do and what would they know? That one they consign me. Even if you not consign you consign me. I know say many people don't go like what I talk so, but I have to say it. Mona let us know what they happen. The panel for Lagos, how many panels they? More they know what they happen.